Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Matlab release and that you have a valid license, because compatibility matters for installs. Next, sign into your MathWorks account so activation occurs automatically. This avoids manual key entry. Once signed in, open the Add-ons menu or run the Add-on Manager command to begin. These first steps start the installer and validate your environment, so make sure to close other Matlab sessions to prevent file locking before you proceed with the download and install commands. You now perform the detailed install. In Add-on Explorer, search for Signal Processing Toolbox and pick the release that matches your Matlab version. This prevents API mismatches. Click Install and monitor the installer dialog. It downloads dependencies and places files into your Matlab Toolbox folder. During prompts, choose whether to install for current user or system and enable toolstrip integration so functions appear in menus. Once done, run vir to confirm installation and update path if the Toolbox folder isn't auto-added. You finish by verifying functionality. Run a built-in demo like DSP demo or call help Signal to confirm the Toolbox loads. Also use vir and license checks to ensure Matlab recognizes the Signal Processing Toolbox. If functions return undefined or licensing errors, restart Matlab first because lingering processes can lock files. If that fails, run restore default path and rehash toolbox cache, then re-add the toolbox path. If licensing persists, sign out and sign back into your MathWorks account to refresh entitlement data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.